Hey, Alex here with TerraX. Today I'm going to show you guys how to assemble a Ford Visordok Tubetrak. So when you receive it, you have the tube, of course. You have two brackets, a right one and a left one. You have two quarter 20 screws and two quarter 20 square nuts and one hex key. So the first thing you want to do is kind of like you have a right and a left tube. Bracket. The open side goes to the inside of it, so you want to set them to the side of the tube. Then you want to take the tube and make sure the logo points your way. Lay that on the table. You want to drop in the square nuts. You might have to wiggle it a little bit around for it to fall in. Okay. Then you want to flip the tube on the flat part, the bracket on the flat part, and slide the tube in. Do the same on this side. Slide the bracket in. Then you want to take your screws, get them started, and then you want to tighten the screws up. And test if they are even. Yep, and that's it. What you will get in your order is, of course, the Visordok, and then 4 screws, 2 longer number 10 screws and 2 shorter number 8 screws. The tools you will need to install your Visordok are a T20 screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 7mm socket or a 9/32 socket, a putty knife or a butter knife, something sharp with a sharper point. So the first thing you want to do is loosen your visor, and then you want to get in here and remove this clip. While you're there, you want to remove this plastic cap. Just like that. What we recommend is removing it right on this front spot, because this is what we are going to cover up. They are a little bit difficult to remove. We've done it now so many times, so we know how to do it. You will not get it done as fast. Next is you want to take your T20 screwdriver and take this visor clip out, and then you want to take your 7mm or 9/32 socket and take this first screw out. Oops. And repeat this on the second side. So now, after you removed all your plastic caps, let's install the Visordok. The hole closest to the clip will need the shorter, smaller screw. So what I do is I insert the screw, take my Phillips head screwdriver, hold the screw, insert the visor, and start putting the screw in. Now repeat this on the second side. Shorter screws goes to the clip side. Okay. Now the longer, bigger screws and new screws might look different. It goes in the front. You're all done.